gonna make ice cream from scratch in about 5 minutes. All you need is 2 bags and some simple ingredients. First, pour 1 cup of half and half into a bag. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then push out most of the air and seal the bag. Then fill the second bag with a little more than halfway of ice. Add about 1/3 cup of salt. Put the little bag inside the big bag and seal up the big bag. Now shake it up for about 5 minutes. Now there's ice cream inside the little bag. Ice cream is made of sugar, fat, ice, and air. Shaking it up makes the ice crystal smaller and adds more air. That makes it creamy. Adding salt to the ice was important to lower the ice's melting point. That keeps the ice frozen long enough to make my ice cream. And it also makes our ice cream freeze faster. This is one cool recipe. Get it? Ice cool? And it's delicious. Please subscribe for more videos.